हेलो एवरीवन। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा आज का बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन का जो टॉपिक है दैट इज़ टाइप्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, राइट्स। तो people communicate with each other in a number of ways depending upon the message, right? Choice of communication, which channel we choose, and styles of communicating with each other. So there are different forms and types of communication that have evolved through the continuous process of our communication. So communication started with oral, written, gestures, postures, right? So types of communication, generally we can divide it into the parts of different parts. First one is on the basis of expression. Okay, so on the basis of expression it can be divided into verbal, or we can say it oral communication. And in verbal communication is a possible through oral and written both communication, right? So on the basis of expression, verbal or oral or written communication and non-verbal communication. तो बेसिस ऑफ एक्सप्रेशंस में ये थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन हमारे आ जाएंगे, वर्बल या ओरल, रिटन एंड आपका नॉन वर्बल. तो ओरल कम्युनिकेशन, और वी कैन से वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन, इज द यूज ऑफ साउंड एंड वर्ड्स टू एक्सप्रेस अवर सेल्फ, to share of information between individuals by using spoken their words. So it is a type of we can say it is a type of oral communication where the messages and information passing through the words, right? So it is verbal communication, and in also known as oral communication. So oral communication, we can say कि there are some channels of this communication. तो channels of communication in verbal communication is suppose personal communication, conferences, lectures, interviews, telephone, radio. तो electronic media, uh, invited to other parties, lectures, to conferences, they all are the channels of our verbal communication, our oral communication. So in media form, oral communication is reading, conversation, interviews, presentation, discussion. Manually it is face to face communication, right? And electrical, telephone, cell phones, etc. And electronically voicemail, teleconferencing, etc., chats, etc. This is the channels or media of our oral communication, right? As like oral communication, there are some merits of first we can say some merits of oral communication. We can say it is a very powerful means of control, right? We can say our words, our through spontaneously, suddenly, or what can we say to others, what information we want to pass for someone. So powerful means of control. Cost economy, the means in comparison of other channels, written communication, there is some economically cost. Time economy, right? Time also, time consuming part जो है हमारा, it is also a part of this verbal communication. Personal influence, directly mutual relation, direct feedback. The most important merit is that we can get a feedback from our parties is direct. And there are some demerits of also this oral communication. It demerits ki we can say ki less chance to think, right? Ki oral communication can maybe not always give scope to think and say sometime. So less chance to think, less suitable in some cases, or we can say evidence problem sometimes, कि we can say कि we can't use it for providing legal records, or sometimes it is a chances of misunderstanding also. So in case of most complicated messages, the oral communication are not possible. So there are some demerits of this oral communication. So as like oral communication, written communication is also a part of this verbal communication. So written communication is sending through our letters, memos, official records, telegraphs, or other channels. So written communication is widely used where oral communication is not suitable, right? So when we use for written communication, so the main methods of written communications are letters, memos, reports, circulars, or notices, or bulletins, brochures, fax, emails, etc. So merits of this written communication is कि time to think and act. ठीक है, वी हैव sufficient time कि what we draft, what we can return, what we want to say for someone. तो written communication give the receiver to the opportunity to think, analysis, and decide upon the right course of action, right? So the reader can read any number of times and reflect his own pace to gain a clear understanding. Then complete and clear कि written communication can be most accurate. There are lesser chances of missing a point, right? So the points can be listed and organized. So a rough draft can be first developed, and it can be improved with better ideas and right choice of words. Then we can say it is authentic. Written communication is always authentic for verification. Then it can be kept as a permanent record. It is a main important merit for this written communication. It can be suitable storage and classification system. It is a permanent record, and we can use it is as a क्या कहते हैं, sorry, legal document, right? So it can be produced as a legal evidence in a court of law, right? So these are merits of this written communication. So as like merits, some demerits also. So demerits, we can say time consuming, right? Time consuming, because when we write, we drafting the letter, printing of a letter, so sometimes it gain more time. So time consuming, no scope for immediate feedback. It is a very important demerit of this written communication कि written communication cannot get immediate feedback in comparison of oral communication, right? तो फिर relatively impersonal, it is unsuitable where personal relationships जो है हमारी, they are more important. तो also when messages cannot be explained by words alone, communication fails to words. So by using informal approach and employs word, we can use as like we, you. So it may be can personal and interactive. So even then it's lack the warmth of personal touch in the oral communication, right? फिर as like it is lack of flexibility, we suddenly we cannot change in this type of written communication, right? So these are some demerits of this written communication, right? Now after oral and written communication, there is also a part of non-verbal communication. So non-verbal communication, we all are understood, we all know कि it is a type कि when we can say कि non-verbal communication is a communication where messages or information is exchanged or communicated using through not spoken or written, or only it is used can by any signals, gestures, postures, etc. So when messages or informations are transmitted by without spoken or written form, so that type of communication is known as non-verbal communication. Okay, so non-verbal communication, it's more it is also a type of communication, and its merit is that ki we can say ki easy presentation. We sometimes information can be presented through visual and audio visual and body parts, hands, lips, eyes. Okay, so this is easy presentation. Powerful presentation, according to some other communications. complementary कि नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन cues complement verbal messages by adding to meaning. Hug strengthens the meaning of the word कि say love you. तो इस this types of signals when we pass in this types of communication, so sometimes it is easy to understand कि how anyone is efficient for how anyone accurate understanding of others attitude. It is effective form of communication, right? Also economic. And demerits ki lack of secrecy. If we says by signals and others all parties are here, and we can signal by someone कि to all other parties are also look कि we which type of signal we give to this person, okay, or that person. So sometime it may be impossible to understand. Sometimes it is also difficult to understand because what is our eye contact, what is our touch, which type of our facial expressions, it may be not understandable easily. So especially when people from different cultures are interacted, so they can be they sometimes difficult to understand. So these are lack of formalities कि we does not follow any rules for this kind of communication as like other communication. So these are some demerits of this communications, okay. So now today I stop this video in this contest because present day we can only understand कि communication is on the basis of expression into this part oral, that is important. Oral verbal, oral, written. verbal के form में आपके oral, written, then our non verbal communication. And yesterday we continuous other types of these communication, okay students. So now today we stop video in this, and I again start yes tomorrow I again start this topic further, okay. So thank you so much.